User adoption. The end user training. The end user training plays a vital role in the successful adoption of the new functionality by your end users. User training is important so they can understand the core system functionality, the cross functional integrations, and the overall process flows connections and the functional dependencies. With a well planned and effective delivered training helps end users get comfortable with the new system features. Planning for training involves various team members coordinating and bringing them all together before we deliver our training session. So, identify your super users who can act as our trainers in the business. They will be the main point of contact for their business unit and the go to person for the user. So, plan on how to do the training and what methods to adopt. Prepare the training material and have it training sign off. That means that we have said that the training is completed to deliver. For effective training, the system should have a stable and latest environment. Get hands on for the users who need thorough training. Collaborate with the key stakeholders and encourage their teams to attend the training sessions. Make sure the users have the tools, systems during the training. Trainers should have their own set of user profiles created. The training environment is built with the latest code as well. The trainer's access must be verified and confirmed. Provide the type of training materials. Ensure that they get a holistic view of the complete business process with the functionality. Be very clear on what you want your users to take away from your training session. Make your training visual by screen sharing as much as possible. Get feedback immediately after training. It can be simple 2-minute feedback around what went well and why, and what needs improvements and why. Getting instant feedbacks is always relevant. Communicating your training goals, setting expectations for how and when users should use the Salesforce. Answer how users benefit from this way of working. Tell your users what they can expect from Salesforce and what is expected of them. So, adopting new systems and processes can be daunting for the users, especially when they are used to their existing workflows. So, make sure they understand the changes that are coming, the rollout schedules, and how those changes will impact their daily tasks. Be transparent about how you plan to measure your success. This ensures that users are not blindsided by the reports metrics. So clearly establish that in Salesforce it is not possible, it does not exist. So this helps users understand that data quality and completeness is a priority. Create a complete communication plan which ensures that you deliver the information and train to your users' needs exactly when they need it. Define a training plan. The plan should be just a matrix of who needs to be trained and what they need to be trained on, like the scenarios. The recommendation training plan for a brand user would be the training can be given on Salesforce basics before the go live, and also on the basis of scenarios the training can be helpful on different sections such as home page, reports and dashboards. And after go live, the training could be provided on the topics based on the questions asked by the user. So it can be categorized as before go live and after go live. Before go live, you can give the training on Salesforce basics and scenario. So in the Salesforce basics, you can give training on the user basics, the reports, dashboards, the mobile apps basics, and the scenario training you can give it on keyboards, dashboards using the mobile apps, on homepage, on the sales processes. So after go live, you can give the training or provide the training on the topics based on the questions they ask, and on the Salesforce navigation refreshers, or on the top tips based on the questions asked by the users.